Many business owners feel uneasy about filing a tax extension, even when it might be the appropriate choice. If the idea of an extension feels like failure or avoidance, this video is for you. Tax extensions are one of the most misunderstood parts of tax season. For many owners, the word extension immediately triggers concern, embarrassment, or fear that something has gone wrong. That emotional reaction often causes owners to rush decisions or judge themselves unnecessarily. Understanding what an extension actually represents helps remove that pressure. In this video, we're not recommending whether you should or shouldn't file an extension. We're also not discussing how to file one or offering tax advice. We're simply going to explain what a tax extension actually is, why it exists, and why so many business owners misunderstand its purpose. We'll start by explaining what an extension does and does not do. Then look at why extensions feel emotionally loaded for owners, and finish with a calmer way to think about extensions without self-judgment. The goal here is clarity, not urgency. What a tax extension actually does. A tax extension does one primary thing. It gives you more time to file paperwork. It does not erase tax liability, eliminate responsibility, signal wrongdoing. An extension exists because business activity is complex and information does not always arrive neatly by a fixed date. That complexity is normal, especially for owners. For many owners, extensions feel like a public admission of being behind. This usually comes from an internal belief that competent owners should always be ready by the deadline. But tax deadlines are calendar-based. Business activity is not. When these two timelines collide, extensions become a practical tool, not a moral statement. The misunderstanding many owners carry is, if I need an extension, I failed to manage things properly. In reality, extensions are often used because information arrives late, transactions span multiple periods, business decisions settle after year-end. Extensions reflect timing, not negligence. Treating them as a personal failure adds unnecessary stress to an already busy season. A tax extension is an administrative adjustment, not a judgment. It exists to allow accuracy, not avoidance. When owners understand that an extension does not change the underlying reality of the business, the emotional weight lifts. That clarity allows better decisions and steadier thinking. If you're considering or using an extension, that doesn't mean you're behind or irresponsible. It usually means the business activity is still resolving. In the next episode, we'll talk about how to think clearly when you're still missing information and why uncertainty at this stage is more common than most owners realize. Please like this video if you have enjoyed. Every like encourages us to create helpful content. Thank you once again for watching. Have a blessed day.